We're up here at the shed location and ready to test whether the posts will fit into the sockets. So the back of the shed is back here, and I've got the two back posts ready to test to see if they will drop into those sockets in the sills. I'm testing it because I want to take the post down to the shop and complete the girt assembly. I mean, not the girt, but the back bent, the whole bent assembly. I want to assemble down near the shop, then bring it up here and then assemble it again. I don't think we're going to be able to bring the whole assembly up because it'll be too heavy. But we can assemble it here on the platform. I'll have to put in some more floorboards. And then we can lift the bent up and also the front bent up and connect the girts as well. So there's quite a bit of activity on bents. But I want to make sure that these posts will drop into the sockets. And we have this post goes over here. So if the, oh, and I've got my grandson here to help me because I need it. Let me lift this end up. And it's oriented in the way that it needs to be oriented, because the cross beam will connect up here.
I'm just going to take over.
Are you going to take over? Okay. All right. You got to get the outside flush with the... There you go. Ooh, that's close. You got it. I think you're really close. Really close. Oh, you're in it. So now, is it going to drop in, or am I going to have to fiddle around with it? And then how are we going to get it out if it's really tight?
It is pretty tight. It's
really tight, but it's, if you're straight up and down, about right there, let me see how far off.
It's close.
It's going in, isn't it?
Yeah, it wants to.
Can you let it go? And
well,
it's what, 1/4 of an inch off seating. So I think that is going to seat. See, I've got this big mallet here, and also we're going to have a lot of extra weight up here.
Yeah. So
let's just leave that.
Leave that be.
And test the other one and see if it's going to go in. So also the socket here will be a brace, 45-degree brace that goes up to the beam that up here at the top. The saddle. I forget what to call that one. So here's the cross beam that comes up here. All right, this will be easier since we're not way up in the... Oh, I'm going to have some branches in the way, aren't I?
Yeah. I don't know if you want to...
Okay, so it's this way. We're going to have to clear some branches. Ooh, that's going in, isn't it? That's nice. Oh, that's going in. That went all the way.
That's a lot nicer.
That went all the way. So let me look at this from back here. Yeah. That's how tall. Well, the roof goes way up high.
Right, because there's no interior ceiling.
That's right.
It's
Yeah,
just a roof.
yeah. But that looks good. That's going to work. Now we got to see if we can pull these things out and take them back down to the shop.